Hey guys, it's Ashley from Editor Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Glamour jewelry box. This is a subscription that sends 3 pieces of trendy jewelry each month for $25. This is the second box I've done. I did do a box last month. It's great. It's like inexpensive and they send really cute stuff, and I'm kind of really excited to see what's in here. So, Glamour is shine and confidence. We hope you enjoy this month's jewelry selection. Each piece was carefully curated to help you sparkle into spring. So there's that. And everything comes in this pretty little bag. And then I will be doing a full review on my blog where we'll go in depth. We'll look at them with better pictures, better than this. And I'll also link to Glamour jewelry box so you can check them out. All right, so first we have some, ooh, pretty. Are these tassels? Oh, girl, look at those. How pretty. Oh, they're so elegant, like great for a night out dancing. Ooh, those are pretty. Okay. There's that. What else do we have? That's 1 and 2. How pretty. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my god, this might be the best piece of jewelry I've gotten in the longest time. Oh my god, I want to wear this all day. Oh, so rose quartz, and it's in a square, which gives it that cool geometrical, like a geometry that a lot of jewelry is like, is very popular in jewelry right now, is what I should say. But it's very, also just very, like, there's something very feminine about it. Oh, I love it. Oh, yes. That's beautiful. I am in love. Okay, finally, we have, ooh, this feels like a bracelet. And they all work together. That's really cool. So it's a little knot bracelet, and it's adjustable. If I could get it on. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Just kidding. It's on. So there it is on. Ooh, look at my tan. It's pretty, and I like that it's adjustable. I have to say, though, that necklace is my favorite item in this box. I do love the earrings as well. I think it all works together. You can kind of wear it together. You can kind of wear it apart. Either way, it's beautiful. It's $25 a month. It's a great way to just pump up your collection of jewelry. If you're interested in my full review, I'm going to link to that below. If you're interested in Glamour Jewelry Box, check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.